నమస్తే SR7 టీవీ న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. 3 రోజుల పాటు జరిగిన సైన్స్ డే ముగింపు వేడుకలు హైదరాబాద్ గచ్చిబౌలి స్టేడియంలో నేషనల్ సైన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా జనవరి 28ని తిన్నావా నుంచి మార్చి 2వ తారీఖు వరకు DRDO ఏరోనాటికల్ సొసైటీ కలాం ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సలెన్సీ సంయుక్త ఆధ్వర్యంలోని ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. దీనిని విజ్ఞాన భారతిగా రూపొందించారు. ప్రధానంగా విద్యార్థులకు ప్రజలందరినీ విద్యా భారతి గురించి తెలియజేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా కేంద్ర రక్షణ శాఖ మంత్రి రాజ్నాథ్ సింగ్ మరియు తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డిలు పాల్గొన్నారు.
DRDO and Aeronautical Society and Kalam Institute of Excellence. These three organizations mix होकर विज्ञान वैभव एक event organize किया सर. So the main motto of this event to motivate every people about the space and defense. What are the missiles, how we are using the main benefits of that. Okay. So behalf of that to reach all the peoples, not only the students, to reach everyone, parents, and on PEP 28 we only allowed for the engineering students. Sir. On PEP 28 the engineering students are came here. Nearly 35,000 plus students are visited here, and our Raksha Mantri and our Telangana CM Ravant Reddy they came as a guest here. And second day March 1st nearly 50,000 people are visited here. Okay. Very nicely. And today is over approximately visited now 20,000 people. Okay. This is about that. Yeah. Okay. Submarines attack చేయడానికి ships attack చేయడానికి underwater it's fine. Yeah.
Very good afternoon. We are from Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. It's a government DPSU, Defense Public Sector Units. We are into missile productions.
It is in Banur or Kanchanbag?
We have 4 units. One is at Kanchanbag unit. Yeah. The second one is at Banur. Then
would you like to say few words? Few words आपके लिए just keep listen. आप कहाँ से what it is?
हाँ सर, I am Lakshman R. Kotyal,
Okay.
Devel, Bangalore से.
Okay.
We are developed for fighter aircraft, sir. Okay. Flying clothing as well as the oxygen systems and exoskeleton and submarine systems as well as the helicopter systems also.
Okay.
This is the exoskeleton for our soldiers in the hill areas and icy areas. They want to carry some loads.
Okay.
Because of that, this is the complete load is the backside of the soldier. Then this load is going to the ground.
Okay.
He is walking freely and fighting with the enemies.
Okay.
This is for the OBIX. This is inert gas producing, nitrogen producing continuously, enriched to the fighter aircraft fuel tanks.
Okay.
Because fuel tanks are flammable. Any spark is comes, it is burst. On that time, it is giving the continuous nitrogen through the cylinder and it is not allowed to the flame.
Okay.
Because of that, this is used for in the our aircraft. And these are the mask and helmet in all fighter aircraft using Tejas as well as the Mirage and MiG-17. These are different helmets are made from the double DRDO only. This is onboard oxygen generating system. This is continuously producing oxygen. When he want to go higher altitude, 18,000 to 50,000 feet, oxygen is required pilot compulsory because there nothing will be available. On that time, this is continuously producing. When flight start, it will giving continuous oxygen. This based only medical oxygen plant given on the COVID period.
Okay.
All our Indians, this design only were production given to the all states, and Corona come down from the this design and this equipment. Big model we are made and given to all government hospital in our India.
Very nice, sir.
On that, and 3 months we are completed the job, and Corona come down due to this design only we are developed. That is also our double DRDO only. Apart from this is not working in the higher contingent, then we are parallelly developed. Backup oxygen system is 2 liter water capacity, but 200 kg of oxygen we are filled in there. That is coming pilot 40 minutes.
Okay.
When it is fails comes on the screen, then he should use this
Back up to that.
backup oxygen. He should breathe.
Okay.
This is also completed. Immediately left over only emergency oxygen system.
Okay.
This is connected with the demand oxygen regulator, DOR. This is this and this both cylinders, EOH and DOR are fixed with the backside of the pilot's ejecting seat. When these both are completed oxygen, then he only last step is there, eject from the aircraft.
Okay.
When he is ejecting from the aircraft, this emergency oxygen system continuously giving to the oxygen to the only 7 minutes.
Okay.
50,000 to 18,000 feet enough to reach 7 minutes. Because of that design only we are did for the pilot
So
purpose.
from 1800
50,000 feet to 18,000 feet.
18,000
Up to 18,000 feet normal oxygen is available.
Okay.
What we are breathing here 21% oxygen. Up to 18,000 feet it is there.
Okay.
Up to 18,000 feet, above 18 not there. That is required 50 to 18 is 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
On that time it is very sensitive equipment required there to come down immediately. Then he is coming to safely ground. Apart from that, this is helicopter purpose we are did for. This is 4 pilots using in the helicopter at a time.
Okay.
They are connecting that mask line. They are breathing continuously.
Okay.
They when they are going 30,000 feet on that time. This is also required for the pilots. This is for our flying clothing shoots. This is pressurizing. When he is going higher altitude due to gravitational force, blood will coming downward. On that time, the pilot will be unconscious or headache or black
Some
spot.
dizziness.
Any diseases happens. Because of that, we are avoided because of the this flying clothing. It will automatically anti-G valve is there that is giving the pressurizing the chute. Then their blood will pushing upward direction.
Okay.
It is they will hold constant for the pilot. He is feeling normal there. Then he is putting the bomb and coming back to the safely their original position. These are the systems for developed by Double DRDO, Bangalore.
Nice meeting you.
Okay, thank you.
Space on wheels is called. Connection. You're from?
Uttarakhand.
Okay. Where do you stay
Stay
now?
in an apartment.
Okay. Why you came here?
To see tanks, space, missiles.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Who is it?
My brother,
Okay, give it to him. Oh, what's your name?
Vedansh.
Yeah, you're from?
I live in Hyderabad right now.
Okay. So, would you like to say why you came here?
I have a deep interest in science.
Okay.
I like all of this.
Okay. Okay. That's all. What all you have seen here?
I've seen like many missiles, tanks, different weapons.
Did you
different
enjoy it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
And Amravati and Jhansi is there. Okay.
So, what it is exactly, sir? Missile?
It's a missiles. We have a anti-tank ATGM missiles are there. Surface-to-air missiles are there. We are also work with the DRDO very closely regarding the strategic missiles. Okay.
What type of missiles do you have?
We have ATGM. The in ATGM we have Kankus, Invar, Milan 230,
Yeah.
and development is there for Nag is there.
Okay.
Okay. This is regarding the surface-to-air missile, we have Akash, and
So, how do you
and
launch
we have
this?
underground water weapons also there, Varunastra. Okay. Okay.
So, what all purposes this missile?
These missiles are meant for to protect the nation, and we our customers are price services of the organization. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Good afternoon, sir.
Actually, we don't interact with it. There is a designated person who
Okay.
interact with media.
No, just few words. That's what I would like to speak. Okay.
No, we cannot.
Okay. Just
The person nominated for that.
yeah. Just we'll have it.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
From which SRTV?
Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Keep this. I would like to know about your what it is exactly. It is.
Actually, we are machining, precision machining.
Okay.
We machine the components.
Okay. What type of components?
This is Pinaka missile airframes
Okay.
from section 1 to section 5. They are known as airframes, which are body. If you observe, this is all Pinaka missile airframes with wings and different components, brackets. These are all separate parts, which are assembled together, and then we'll get it like this.
Yeah.
So these are all components of different missiles. We have done for Pinaka, Agni, Veda, Dwani, PJ-80 and different kind of missiles. So these are injectors, smaller versions of injectors. These are all injectors. These are injectors.
Okay.
And this is bigger injector for bigger missiles. 700 kgf.
Okay. So you assemble these all?
No, we don't assemble. We machine them. We produce these components.
Okay.
We manufacture them.
Yeah.
So these are holes. These are micro holes. Okay. So it is injector. Fuel enters through it. This is different kind of housings. So this is a very critical component for observe. There are a lot of holes inside and outside. This is not casting or forging. This is completely machining process. We use CNC lathes, millings, 5-axis, 4-axis, 3-axis, and then wire cuts, EDM, sparkings. We also have an extrusion branch and different kinds of machining. This is all machining processes. Complicated process.
Where else do you have your branches?
Actually, it's in Machel also.
Okay.
Machel Kucharam. So it is an extrusion branch where we have extrusion machine. So basically, these are extrusion shells. If you observe, this is aluminium 606 material. We also done it aluminium 2014 copper material. These are shells in different shapes. Different shapes. These are battery shells, shell cases. Same extrusion process. We have supplied it for ISRO. With same process, we also developed a copper bottle.
Nice.
So basically, in extrusion process,
For drinking water.
yeah, for drinking water, you can make different dyes and produce anything you want in extrusion process. Basically, if you want to get this shell, they bend the sheet metal into this form and then they weld it. So which has so many cracks and other things. But in extrusion processes, it is not like that. It sustains the mechanical properties also, and it can be produced in 1 to 2 minutes. In a day, you can produce 5,000 shells. But if you want to do in other machining process, it takes 2 days, at least 2 days, 1 to 2 days to program them and then do machining.
So these all
Components. If you observe there is also smart missile, torpedo missile, that is Dwani, section 9. Those are wings and brackets. If you observe, this is brackets. These are brackets, they hold the wings like this. Missile parts. Everything is missile parts. We work for DRDL, ISRO, BDL, ASL, and then RCI, R&D department, Research and Development department.
Would you like to say something regarding
These parts and all the things, he will explain.
keep this? I would like to know regarding the stall and
Yeah,
you are from?
ICOM.
Okay.
Yeah,
So what exactly we do with?
we have several stuff is there. I have composite materials.
Okay.
like this shelters. We are manufacturing shelters, composite materials, and we have several type of radios and wideband. We have radios and we have power amplifiers, and we are manufacturing and antennas, different types of antennas, and we have missiles also. We are into. We are the collaborated with DRDO RCI. Actually, we have Vishod. This is a very short range 8 defense system. The range of 6 kilometers. Okay, these are destroy the aircrafts and the UAVs. We can easily destroy this missile. And we have one more is the NASM-SR, is the naval anti-ship missile, short range. Is the use of destroy the ships. You can use this missile. Okay, we can. This carries from aircrafts. We can release from aircraft. These are range of max 55 kilometers. Recently, we already test drive in RCA DRDO. Is successfully conducted in test drive. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
I would like to know regarding your style and everything.
Uh,
Regarding.
okay, so we are from Manjara Machine Builders.
Okay.
We are one of the manufacturers for Indian defense. So as you can see, we have different components used for missiles, and also like this is for Gaganyaan mission, which is like a crew module, and this is a propellant tank. Those are wings, right? Uh,
Coming to this.
this is again a propellant tank. That's a booster mold. All these are used for missiles.
Okay.
So
What
this is
type
for
of
submarine. So this is for submarine missile
Submarine.
K4,
Okay.
and that's for short range. We have also manufactured for long range as well.
Okay.
Yes.
This all.
So this is again for Project Dwani.
Okay.
Project Dwani is like a supersonic missile,
Okay.
and this is one of the component for Project Dwani. We have also done crew module,
Okay.
which is like a capsule where astronauts come from space.
Carries from aircrafts. We can release from aircraft. These are range of max 55 kilometers. Recently, we already test drive in RCA DRDO. Is successfully conducted in test drive. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
I would like to know regarding your style and everything.
Uh,
Regarding.
okay, so we are from Manjara Machine Builders.
Okay.
We are one of the manufacturers for Indian defense. So as you can see, we have different components used for missiles,
Okay.
and also like this is for Gaganyaan mission, which is like a crew module, and this is a propellant tank. Those are wings, right?
Coming to this.
This is again a propellant tank. That's a booster mold. All these are used for missiles.
Okay.
So this
What
is
type
for
of
submarine. So this is for submarine missile
Submarine.
K4,
Okay.
and that's for short range. We have also manufactured for long range as well.
Okay.
Yes.
This all.
So this is again for Project Dwani.
Okay.
Project Dwani is like a supersonic missile,
Okay.
and this is one of the component for Project Dwani. We have also done crew module,
Okay.
which is like a capsule where astronauts come from space to Earth. We have manufactured end to end of the crew module.
Where do you have your this
So our branch is in Patancheru.
potential?
Yeah.
Exactly, only one branch.
Yeah, we have only one branch right now from Hyderabad.
What exactly location or address of this?
So we Manjira Machine Builders. It's in Patancheru. Party.
వాళ్ళని త్రో చేస్తే మన చేతులను వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేంత త్రో చేస్తారు నార్మల్గా డిటెక్టివ్ ఉంటాయి కూలింగ్ అవసరం కొంచెం మంచిగా అవ్వాలి కూలింగ్ చాలా వరకు ఇక్కడ నుండి కవర్ చేసాం ఇండియన్ నేవీ
वो कुछ पूछ रहा है उसको बताओ, मैं आपको कैलेंडर दूँ।
नमस्कार
के लिए आए बेसिकली बताने के लिए।
ओके मीडिया मीडिया
एज ए ट्रेड्समैन।
नमस्कार थैंक यू माइक लगा लो बोलिए आप
माई सेल्फ पुष्पेंद्र कुमार फ्रॉम INS Dega डिपार्टमेंट विशाखापट्टनम. So Indian Navy use this types of aircraft.
okay
So this is aircraft Camel 20 aircraft from Russian made. So detect submarine and track submarine.
अच्छा
Yes sir. This is a MS-60 Romeo aircraft made by USA for multi-purpose. Indian Navy use this types of aircraft for multi-purpose. Like torpedo carry, missile carry, passenger carry, para jumping also, and gun carry also, surveillance also sir. This is Wondom for pilot kit. This is a life jacket for compress air for which if case aircraft ditch in sea water, so pilot can float this type life jacket sir.
Passenger carry VIP aircraft.
This is a AJT Hawk aircraft for purpose fighter training sir.
okay
This is a Chetak, Indian made for HL or search and rescue sir.
okay
This is a LH advanced light helicopter for purpose multi-role sir, made by HL India.
okay so how
And-
many people it carries
14 plus 2 pilots sir, 14 passenger.
okay
Also Marcos. So this aircraft purpose for air ambulance role also. A MECO system fitted inside
Okay.
for any incident in ship. So take
okay अगर कुछ इंसिडेंट हो जाता है ये रेस्क्यू में
rescue for search and rescue also.
अच्छा.
Multi-purpose roles.
मल्टीपर्पज
Air ambulance, search and rescue or surveillance also. Surveillance is fitted also, and also float. If in case ditch in sea area for floaters both side and float aircraft float on sea. Thank you.
एक्सक्यूज मी प्लीज
I am Lieutenant Commander Uday Singh Rana.
okay nice
Yeah.
meeting
So here we have a model of a expendable decoy.
okay
So it is used on board ships. Basically, if an enemy submarine targets the ship with a torpedo, now to save the ship from that torpedo, we use the expendable decoy. Now this expendable decoy, it travels away from the ship and takes the torpedo away from the ship by giving us fake sound signature,
okay
which is similar or higher in magnitude than the ship. So the torpedo will confuse, thinking that this is the target. So that way the ship can be saved.
it's all the same
Yes. So here we have a underwater. It is a anti-submarine rocket. It is unguided. It is launched from ships and used against submarines. So it will go to some particular depth, and at that depth it will explode. And here we have models of warships. This is a frigate class of a warship, and here we have a destroyer class. Now they all have similar kind of weaponry, but they are different by their size and the tonnage. And lastly, I have a limpet mine Vendica over here. So this is used underwater by divers. So if we have to target some enemy, some ship or some of their resource or anything, so the diver will carry it underwater. He will take it to the target, deploy it, set a timer and come back. So at that particular set time, it will explode. Thank you. Thank you.
Any consult person here?